Okay, so now let's start in overriding some methods of the NSXML parser. So the first method we would like to override is the didStartElement method. It basically is activated every time we start when the parser starts processing an element in the XML. So we'll define a method which is activated by the parser. And the method name is didStartElement. And the parameters it gets, the first parameter is called is of type NSString. It's called element name, which contains the element name that we are processing, and the second parameter is name space URI, which is not really relevant to us since we set our namespace processing turned off. We didn't set it, but it's the default value. So the next two parameters are not really relevant to what we are doing. So but we'll write them anyway because the methods needs them. URI, and another one will be qualified name, type NSString, key name. The third one, which is we're not going to use in this program, but it's fairly important to understand. The third one is attributes of type NSDictionary. Which basically contain XML can contain in its nodes also attributes. Like, let's say I have a node in my XML that contain username. That node can contain additional attributes like let's say age of the user. So in the node it will say user node, and it will written inside the node age. So we use the attributes to process the attribute from our XML attribute, and of course you can find additional documentation about all the methods that the NSXML parser uses. You can find them in the Apple developer in the website. You can search for the class reference library of the NSXML, and you find all the things I said in more detail. So the first thing you will want to do in this function is we have our current element, which we said should contain the element that we are processing. So let's put in current element, we'll put element name, we'll do a copy of that. So our current element will contain the current element that is being processed. Now let's do if element name is equal to string and the string will be user. So basically we are telling if the element that we are processing now is user, so if we do that, let's allocate for item executable dictionary. Sorry, another bracket here. Init. Gonna init the item. Init the current user string alloc. We need that, and we're gonna init the current password. String alloc. So again, what we're doing, if we're seeing the element name is equal to user, we'll allocate an immutable dictionary, our current user, and our current password. Okay, and that's pretty much it for this method. Of course, we'll have to remember everything we were allocating in order to free the elements that we're allocating further in the program. So as in this program, so far we did allocation of current elements, allocation of item, current user, current password, and an XML parser. And everything here we will need to free. Okay.